What's going on YouTube? Kanam here with another keyboard review, and today I have the chonchow gaming keyboard. This keyboard has a total of 87 keys along with a width of 5 inches and a length of 13.9 inches. This is a membrane keyboard, not a mechanical. The keys have a mechanical feel, but not as heavy and as noisy as a mechanical keyboard. The keys can be removed for cleaning and replacement, and this keyboard is also compatible with Xbox, PlayStation, and PC. There's only about 2 light effect features for this keyboard, which is the adjust brightness mode and breathing mode. Let me show you how these work. So you have the FN and then the brightness logo down below. Click both of those. Now we have just the light logo. You just click on that to turn it off and turn it on. There is actually another feature, which is the brightness. They have PG down and PG up. So for the looks of the keyboard, I do enjoy how it looks in the nighttime, as the lights definitely stand out, and the compact look, and also that it has the F1, F2, F3, F4, and so on. You know, some keyboards, they don't look like this small with the F1s and stuff like that, but I definitely love how it looks. And then this definitely has the feet at the bottom too, and then it's a white at the bottom. I do like that too. But in other words, I do like it. Like, it looks pretty nice. I can't really complain with this. It's light, not too heavy too. So yeah, I definitely like it. So for the gameplay, as you can see, I am playing Recon. Yes, I'm playing Recon. You couldn't even tell that I'm playing with a cheap keyboard when you click on the keys each time with each finger. You would think I'm just playing with a regular keyboard that's probably worth $32 to be honest. But the feel, it's light, you know, it's very compact like I said in the beginning. And honestly, I think it's worth the money, to be honest. Like, my friend came to my house and he thought, like, bro, how much did you pay for this keyboard? Or that's what he was saying, and I was like, bro, I paid like 16, you know what I'm saying? He was like, what, bro? Doesn't even feel like that. And I said the same thing. Honestly, worth the price, you know, good gameplay for sure. You know, I definitely enjoyed playing Recon on this keyboard a lot, and it definitely changed my expectations on, you know, upcoming keyboards or cheaper keyboards, you know, for the future. But, you know, I definitely enjoyed playing on this keyboard a lot. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Anything helps. You know, I'm trying to get my YouTube channel up there. Keep going, keep grinding, trying to become more consistent. But thank you guys for everything. Until next time, peace. God bless.